So the world of cloud computing has grown exponentially, and so is big data. Enterprise organizations are struggling to devise meaningful information or results or analytics off of this big data, especially individuals who are working with Salesforce CRM platform. Welcome to this course on Salesforce Developer, Artificial Intelligence for Beginners. My name is Syed, and I'll be the instructor for this course. Let me walk you through the course agenda. I'm going to start off with the basics of artificial intelligence, what that is, how does it work, what is deep learning, what is artificial intelligence, what is natural language process, and so on. So there are various subsets of artificial intelligence. So once we get out of the fundamentals out of the way of what artificial intelligence is, then we'll dive into the Salesforce Einstein platform and take a look at how we can apply the artificial intelligence with respect to Salesforce data. So I'm going to be covering two aspects within this course. First, I'm going to take a look at and show everyone the concept as well as application hands-on of what Einstein Intent is all about. In other words, if you were to ask a question from this big data in a natural language, Einstein will predict that for you, and I'm going to talk about and demonstrate hands-on how to develop models as a developer. The second aspect of this course is a step ahead, where I'm going to demonstrate how to use Einstein Sentiment. In other words, the feelings of the data. So for instance, if you were to, let's say, ask a question or create models that predict image classification. So you may have an instance where you have sales force or sales individuals running all across the country, and they want to go to a certain retail store, take snapshots of all these images across the country, bring that data into Salesforce, and then we can use artificial intelligence to classify those images. So two aspects I'm going to cover in this instance. Who's this course for? Well, even though the course says beginners, but really it's for intermediate users, individuals who are already comfortable with development or programming language, whether Java, Python, or any object-oriented program. You must have basic fundamental knowledge of how to program or how to code. Because I'm not going to be showing you step by step how to code. Essentially, I will provide the code and then we'll discuss what the code does and the concept again and the application. I offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, and I welcome your feedback because it helps make my courses better. So what are you waiting for? If you want to be a Salesforce developer and get to know artificial intelligence, enroll now, and I will see you in class.